How to write prompts in Instagram notes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your DM section at the top right corner. Here, at the top above your profile, you can see this cloud icon. Simply tap on it. So as you do that, what happens is you can see these three icons over here at the bottom. One is your music icon, next is the prompt, and next is camera. So since we want to write prompts, we're going to tap on the prompt icon and simply write a prompt. Now remind you that the prompt has the word limitation, so simply make sure that your question or your prompt is short. So I'm going to write a prompt over here just for this one, like what is your favorite social media app? So let me ask this question, and here I'm going to add my own response. So I'm going to say Instagram, for example, and then tap on share. So as I do that, when somebody just wants to tap on it, they'll be able to respond. They can respond to you individually, privately as well, and that's how you can write the prompts and Instagram notes. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.